Morning. Today we're going to check out how Benidorm awakes this morning. It is going to be a lovely day out here again. 23 degrees it will get later this afternoon, and loads of sunshine as there is almost zero clouds, and the ones that are here are going to disappear very soon. In today's walk we can spot the first tourists already making their round through Benidorm, and over here on the left we can see the silver dollar getting restocked again for a busy day that's coming up. There we have Mariano's. It's always open, and this morning we're quite early, so there aren't that many people yet inside. The indoor market has opened early. It's open already, but we are taking a right towards the Levante beach over here. Over there at the Port Benidorm Hotel, it's clear to see they are starting to rise along the other building. And while the first guests are already having a breakfast in there, construction crews next door are working hard already and making quite a lot of noise over here. Let's hope they didn't get interrupted by it too much, the hotel guests, with all the noise. There we are at the Levante beach, all the way at the end. And we can see the streets are still quite wet. That's because of last night. It did rain a little bit. And let's hope the sun breaks through pretty quickly, so the sand can dry again and people can go to the beach for today. We can see lots of seaweed has washed ashore the last few days over here, and also in the distance. And unfortunately they haven't cleaned it up yet. We're not used to this from Benidorm. Usually they're very strict about it and make sure the beach is extremely clean always. And later today in the afternoon they'll walk all the way until the end over there in the back towards Old Town. See how busy it will be at the bars and on the beach today. Roman is open already for breakfast and people taking advantage out of it. Having a nice early breakfast out here with a view of the ocean. And the first bar has opened already, and it's quite busy out there as well. Or they're serving breakfast, that could also be a possibility. Same goes for the first person already out there, enjoying the sun on the beach. And yes, later today we will explore the rest of the area, all around it. Unfortunately right now we have to go to work until the afternoon, so after that we will take another video and enjoy the rest of our day here in Benidorm with the nice 23 degrees it will get. If you like this video, please let me know in the comments below. The early morning walks in Benidorm, I'll do them more often then. And please don't forget to give a like and do subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you later.